Now let's show you how to operate our popcorn maker. We have 3-in-1 material. You can see there are sugar, corn, and oil here. To make it more convenient to operate, we add them to the cups. First, plug in. Then turn on 3 buttons. Now we add the oil into the pot. Close the door to preheat it for about 1 minute. As for this machine, we support customization. We can customize your own sticker, your own logo, your own color, and the plug and voltage. We have CE certification for this machine. Now there is the smoke. We can add several corns into the pot. Remember how many corns you add into the pot. And close the door, waiting for the corn coming out.
It has an 800-watt heating pipe inside the pot and has a temperature limiter, and the maximum temperature is 280 degrees, which is the best for making popcorn. Only after all the test popcorn has popped can you proceed to the next step.
Add the corns into the pot. Add the sugar. Close the cover and then close the door. Waiting for 3 to 4 minutes. Now we can hear the voice. And now we can turn off the heating button. And we can see the popcorns are coming out. After all of them come out, we can turn off the rotary button. Put the cover on. Use the spoon to make it out. And then use the spoon to separate the corns to avoid sticking. Finally, remember to clean the pot. Use a little wet cloth to clean the pot. Here are our corns. Delicious! Welcome to Shuangchi. Welcome to visit our factory.